Today I am making a dish with leftover watermelon rinds. It's a popular dish in Indian state Rajasthan. Clean it well with hot water and cold water as well. In summer, after enjoying delicious watermelon, collect all pieces of watermelon rinds. Boil it for 20 to 25 minutes until turn soft. In a pan, add some oil, cumin seeds, chopped garlic. When garlic turns golden, add turmeric, paprika and cook it for 1 minute. Now add boiled watermelon rinds, salt, dry mango powder and mix it well. Add some chopped coriander and switch off the flame. It tastes spicy, tangy and bit crunchy. It's a easy and must try recipe. Enjoy.